Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word retro, and I'm going to try to find like a really cute font for this as well. Maybe this one. And then I am going to select like a color for the inside part, maybe this orange one, and I'm going to add also the stroke. I'm also going to change the color for that one. I like this really brown one, and I'm just going to adjust the thickness. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, and on the one at the bottom, I'm just going to make the same color as the background here, and I'm just going to simply place it up to create this like 3D effect. And then you can add in anything you want underneath this. I'm just going to search for this one. I'm just going to add that. And that is it. You can like bring this down a little bit. I don't really like the color combo, so I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to change the colors real quick to the same color as the background here, as well as the stroke. Oh, I feel like that is a little bit too similar, but it's fine, I guess. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!